A massive breakthrough has shaken the universe of AI-powered tools, as well as systems across Creative Cloud to their very core. In what appears to be a colossal leap, creative workflows associated with Creative Cloud have undergone a huge and rapid shift. Join us into this thrilling foray into the future of image editing generative AI. You don't want to miss a minute of these mammoth changes. The latest news emerging from the AI industry is highlighting how Adobe has successfully merged the swiftness and effortless execution of generative AI with the razor-sharp accuracy and capability of Photoshop. In what appears to be an exciting and major milestone for the company, Adobe has incorporated Firefly into its flagship offering Photoshop. Trust us, you want to stick around to hear all about this new development. First up, let us give you the 411 on Firefly. The Firefly family is a series of creative generative AI models that are Adobe's brainchild. As per the company's website, the recent landmark move puts Adobe on the precipice of integrating generative AI into current creative workflows spread across Creative Cloud, thereby enabling users to be able to tap into the capabilities of a creative co-pilot for the purposes of ideation, exploration, and production. This can flip the game entirely in the domain of design workflows and prove to be a game changer. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to get down to brass tacks. Firefly has been incorporated into Generative Fill. The 23rd of May 2023 sparked a new dawn for the AI creative industry with the Generative Fill in Photoshop launched by Adobe. What makes this latest beta Photoshop offering from Adobe unique and one of a kind is its pioneering spirit. The first Creative Cloud application to enmesh with Firefly, it opens an exciting window of transformational opportunities which will span across Adobe Express, Creative Cloud, Experience Cloud, and Document Cloud. Most impressive! Generative Fill powered by Firefly is the ultimate catalyst for design innovation. Labeled as the world's first co-pilot in creative and design workflows, it will provide users with state-of-the-art tools to up their game while working with content allowing them to modify images with shocking speed in a matter of seconds through simple text prompts. It is all set to work its magic to transform the landscape of design and content by drastically simplifying the process when it comes to adding, extending, or removing much needed elements from images without incurring damaging effects. As a default setting, there will be a range of 3 variations provided by Adobe for each of its natural language prompts. Don't worry, we'll spill all the electrifying details. With the Firefly enhanced Photoshop, digital content creation will become a snap. Users will be able to use Firefly-generated backgrounds to extend images outside their borders. The beta Photoshop with its Generative Fill feature will also allow immaculate exactness in the addition and removal of objects from images. This will be a vast improvement over the earlier content-aware fill, according to TechCrunch.com. Say bye to clumsily cropped pictures. We'll explain the mechanics of this function in layman's terms. In order to accomplish these tasks, what happens is that Firefly receives parts of the image from Photoshop and subsequently churns out results with an additional layer. It enables those in charge to make those edits pronto. We hear you want to jazz up your content creation page. Do hang around, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe while you're with us. So, what other amazing features can we expect from Firefly-powered Photoshop? Firefly has added some fly features to Photoshop, admittedly. Here's the breakdown of the most innovative features. Due to the infusion of Firefly with Photoshop, production-quality content creation now lies within every user's creative grasp, as it empowers content creators and design professionals to utilize their creative juices and achieve greater creative control. They can now customize images as per their preference. Another one of Generative Fill's remarkable superpowers is its ability to create processes efficiently by bringing about a match between the perspective of the image along with their lighting and style. If you're wondering what that looks like, here's a simple example. Since users can add on or remove content in generative layers, if a creator wants to add on details such as a puddle or floating bubbles to an image of a corgi, the resulting image will be nuanced with the visibly transparent bubbles and the puddle realistically reflecting the corgi. The risk of copyright infringement is not only minimized, it is completely off the cards, as the rigorous training ground for Firefly consists of Adobe stock licensed, high-resolution, professional-grade images, numbering in millions. Don't forget, Generative Fill generates pixels that are derivative of the Adobe stock image library. Safety is guaranteed as the violations of other intellectual properties is prevented through necessary safeguards. The unique data set it is trained on is its secret weapon. That's one less problem digital content creators will have to deal with, as image-generating AI, its very inception has caused a furor among the creative industry and artistic community who had sounded the alarm on the premise that the AI was infringing on artwork protected by copyright. These concerns, though alarming in nature, can be contained with measures such as transparency, solid guidelines, as well as user awareness. The non-destructive editing feature of this groundbreaking application promises to transform the digital world into a design professional's oyster, opening up a vast kaleidoscope of possibilities that can be tapped into, manipulated, and worked upon without impinging on the original work of the user. So, you can conceptualize, ideate, and bounce off ideas as fast as you conjure them up with this next-gen tool. Flip through limitless, offbeat, and off-the-cuff possibilities with an entire digital universe at your fingertips. Firefly beta users on the web have also been able to get their mitts on some of these features and generated an astounding 100 million images, courtesy of these super intelligent capabilities. It goes without saying that all images generated with this AI-powered tool will be ascribed with Adobe's own content credentials. Now, let's take a look at the wider picture. So, is there a downside? Well, it depends which side of the fence you're occupying. There's some truth to the fact that Adobe's latest innovation was released in the wake of widespread fears of loss of employment and the misconception that it will eventually sideline humans. This is a claim that Adobe has categorically denied, calling the tool a co-pilot and negating that it will knock humans out of the tech race. In fact, creative film might start a chain reaction of positive developments across various industries and professions, such as advertisers, marketing personnel, and graphics designers. Looks like AI-driven image editing will become a lasting feature of the creative landscape. The technology will come fully into fruition in Photoshop in the later half of this year. Currently, the technology is accessible to beta subscribers under the Creative Cloud subscription. You can also get a demo of some of the fabulous features of the next-gen AI tool on the web app. What's your take on the new Adobe AI Firefly powered Photoshop? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Follow us for the latest news in the world of tech.